Welcome to day 6 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Namaste, I am Sneha, founder of Stress Less with Sneha J and the host for a 21-day Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. First, I want to congratulate you for finishing the first 5 days. I hope you enjoyed your lessons and that you practiced and journaled along. Now for today's challenge, we are going to do a practice that is called Just Like You. And what I mean by that is today we are going to meditate and bring to our mind somebody who might be a little different from us in maybe looks, in maybe race, in maybe circumstances. And we are going to try and find out similarities between that person and us, and see how we can resolve the differences between us and this person. So let's find a quiet space, close our eyes, make sure that your back is straight, your palms are on your thighs. If you cannot close your eyes, then you can lower down your gaze and just look a few inches away from your feet. And as you close your eyes, just look within. And take a moment to connect with your breath. If you feel distracted, just come back to your breath. Let your breath be the anchor that brings you to this present moment. Now slowly shift your awareness to your heart. If it is difficult for you to become aware of your heart or imagine your heart space, you can just put your hands on your heart. It's completely optional. And then bring to your mind one person who is different from you. Maybe you have had differences with this person, or maybe it's just some stranger that you don't know as much and you haven't felt very friendly with this person. Or maybe it's just somebody you know but is very different from you. Maybe they look different from you. Maybe they wear different clothes. Maybe they are of a different gender or a different race or a different religion. And as you bring this person to your mind, try to focus on the different points where this person is just like you. For all this time, you have looked for differences between you and this person. But today, we're just going to look at this person through our heart's eye and mind's eye and find similarities. This person breathes in air and breathes out air just like me. This person has 10 fingers and 10 toes just like me. This person has a beating heart, just like me. This person has people that he or she loves, just like I have people whom I love. This person is loved by his or her family, just like I am loved by mine. Notice what other similarities that you can see. This person has strong opinions about what they believe in, just like I have strong opinions about what I believe in. This person lives in a house, just like I live in a house. This person cares for their community, just like I care for my community. This person is a child of Mother Earth, just like I am the child of Mother Earth. There are so many similarities between us. Take a few moments here to find more similarities by yourself. And as you are doing this exercise, notice if it softened your heart towards this person. Notice if any judgments that you had for this person dropped by at least a tiny bit. And if they didn't drop, that's okay. Mindfulness practice is not about judging. It is about being in complete awareness of your feelings, emotions, and thoughts. Mindfulness practice is all about acceptance of where you are at right now. Because once we accept where we are, then we can move and transform ourselves. Now slowly come back to your breath. Notice your incoming and outgoing breath. wiggle your toes and fingers. And slowly open your eyes. After you finish this meditation today, notice how you felt before and after this meditation. Write down anything that came to your mind about prejudice, about difference, and about similarities, and use this as a journaling exercise to bring forth more of healing inside of you, to heal any differences or any judgments that you may have held before about other people. And if you like this video, share it with other people, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments below what difference this meditation made for you. And of course, subscribe this channel, and if you have not registered already, register for my challenge to get these videos in your inbox below. Namaste.